Hello friends, welcome to Thursday. Today we're going to make these beautiful mandala coasters. Aren't they gorgeous? I'm so excited to try these out and see how they work, how they look, all that good stuff. And I've decided I am going to try them with this new chameleon powder that I got from Let's Resin off of Amazon. As always, anything used will be linked in the description box below. So if you're interested, feel free to check that out. And as always, Amazon links are affiliate links. So let's see which one. I think I'm going to try both of these. So I have the purple gold chameleon powder and then the gold turquoise. So I am going to give these a nice good dusting all over. Then I'm going to fill them with black resin, just so that makes the colors pop even more. And then we will be back for the unmolding. So let's get to the time lapse. Enjoy. Hey guys, this is a gentle reminder to please hit that like button, and if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button and ring that bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a video. Thanks so much. All right, friends, these are all cured. I learned that even after a year of doing resin, I'm still not done learning about resin. I learned a couple things. I don't know what happened. I don't know if these are just extremely thick and therefore the resin cured very, very quickly or what, but I had to babysit these a bit because bubbles kept forming. And let me show you this one. So I saw these bubbles. They came to the surface. I popped them and it left the bubble indents in the back of the resin because the resin was so far cured by that point. And which is funny because it was only maybe 15 minutes after I had poured these. You can see it did something similar on this one. It left this ugly scarring on the back. Not a huge deal because I can always, you know, use black felt on the back and cover it up. No one will ever know. But yeah, I was a little surprised by that. So we're going to go ahead and get to unmolding these. Also, I'm going to use gold metallic paint for the imprints part, but I'm very excited to see how this looks. So let's dig in. It's very intricate, so it's kind of difficult to pull it out. Okay, and here we go. Wow. Wow. Oh my goodness. That is gorgeous. Oh, let's see. Can I show you the gold and purple, or is it just gonna? There we go. You can see the gold in there. Oh, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Love it. Okay, let's keep going. Bam. Very, very pretty. I mean, to be honest with you, I don't even think that I need to add anything to this. I am a little befuddled by the shape because it feels like this side is a lot thicker than this side. That's weird. Is my mold weird, or I don't know, maybe I'm just on a slope. Totally fixable though. Gorgeous. Absolutely wonderful. Okay. So those were the two purple gold ones. I believe these are gold and blue for these two. Let's see. I'm not really getting much of the blue. I'm getting mostly gold here. Yeah, getting mostly gold here, which is kind of disappointing because blue is my favorite color. I guess you can kind of see it there. Still very, very pretty. I'm also noticing a ton of bubbling right around these areas, which is disappointing because, I mean, these let off so many bubbles. I'm not really sure how to fix that issue. I guess maybe thinning the resin out a little bit more, or maybe pouring this in layers. Maybe this is where it overspilled right here, which I can just, you know, cut off. But here's the other one. I mean, they're gorgeous, but those bubbly parts, not the most attractive looking thing, if I do say so myself. I mean, that just looks kind of terrible, doesn't it? Maybe what I might end up having to do is doing a thinner coat or a thinner pour, letting that set, and because that way, because it's thinner, obviously it'll cure slower, and that'll give more time for the bubbles to rise up and get dislodged. Man, I gotta say that's a little bit disheartening, because these are gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Anyway, well, I actually don't think I'm going to finish these off, because I don't think that it particularly needs it, number one. But number two, I'm kind of slightly disappointed with these missing pieces because of bubbles. So I think I'm going to chalk this up to, it was all a learning exercise, and we're going to learn, and we're going to take those lessons, and we're going to use them later on, and we're going to move on. Okay, that's what we're going to do. Don't mind me, I'm just trimming this with my fingernail, because I'm a heathen like that. And since we're not going to be able to sell these, we might as well just move on from them. Alright, friends. That's the mandalas. Don't worry, I've not given up hope on these yet. I will be trying this again. I will be pouring it in multiple layers just to make sure that the bubbles don't get caught in these little intricate areas. It is what it is today. That's what it is. So, yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you also learned a lesson today, let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. Also, definitely hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet, and stick around, because Tuesday's video is going to be this awesome planchette mold with the cabochons. I'm really, really excited to play with this one. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.